Good morning. This is my first time hiking at White Sands National Monument, so this is going to be a first here, and it's very quiet out here. It's just another car here, another visitor. That's it, and it's cloudy today. It's really nice out here, so let's see what we can get ourselves into. This is the first sign of life I see. This place is pretty magical. I mean, you're not at the beach, you're in the middle of the desert, and you're walking in gypsum sand. Some of the dunes are getting bigger. It is extremely quiet out here. It's drizzling just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring. That was a pretty good hike. It wasn't too bad. It's got some great views and different kinds of terrain within the sand dunes, but it's nothing really crazy. I didn't see any other animals. I'm sure you do at night though. This really worked out because it's in the upper 70s right now, and normally it's hotter right now this time of day. I know it's the morning, but it's cloudy today. It's just not very hot at all, so I really lucked out with that. Yeah, if you don't want to get your feet in the sand, there's always the boardwalk. This is a pretty cool little structure they built out here. Alright, this is the end of the boardwalk. So there's just some signs that show different features of the desert here in White Sands. That was formed. Let me go a little bit slower so you can pause it if you want to read any of this stuff. I will definitely read it after I'm finished filming this. Very interesting. And here's the last one.